We get a lot of questions about blind inlets. Today is really muddy. We've had just all night and all day rain. This past weekend was a wet one. So this grass will look great after a couple more rains, just from walking it in, stomping it in. It's a bit muddy. So there's a blind inlet. All right, so bang, look. Everybody's asking how we're doing this. I still want our non-woven geotextile double punched fabric filtering contaminants. So the water is going to go right through this. Yes, it's going to go through this extremely fast, extremely quick. This takes bulk water. That's why we do that, for bulk water. There's another blind inlet. There's going to be another one over here. This side's been all pieced together. Got a blind inlet. You can see how the grass just goes together like a puzzle. The guys that kept the side organized. And this works amazing. When this tree drops its leaves, you have to just hit it with a leaf blower, and that's it. Done. There's not dead worms, just nasty garbage. Having to use your shop vac to suck all that crap out. I mean, look, I've been in the field for 3 decades, and I'm telling you, I don't have that at my house. I wouldn't deal with it. It's nasty. These blind inlets are the way to go. Now, we do some systems on the lake when water comes over the seawall. That's a little different, and I look forward to showing you that. Just stay tuned. All right, guys, until next video.